This is a 31 Jordan Speedboy. Jordan was an absolute amazing car. The car itself was okay. It was beautiful. It really had a lot of dash. But the biggest thing was promotion. That was the idea. They explored and pushed advertising and really brought it into the modern era. It was phenomenal. They had the, this is the Speedboy. They had the Playboy. They had a Playgirl too. It was basically an assembled car. Basically, they did make a lot of stuff their own. And I think it was about a 10-year run, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to find out in a few minutes if my memory is correct. But wow, that is something. Again, very, very unusual to see. I'm going to show you a few highlights. Check that out. Is that nice?
Okay.
Following the theme on through.
Sure.
Yeah, he's had a car there 1 year.
Calvin? Yeah, oh yeah. My first restoration, which will show on there, and I didn't know what color was supposed to be, so I I used two Mercedes colors, the two browns on it. And then drove it for till about 1995, 96, and I had it up in upper New York State to a niece's wedding, and I was coming down to 81 and heavy crosswinds, and the wind tore the top on it, and I said to my wife, well, I'm not going to put a new top on an old restoration, so I tore it all apart again. By that time I knew that this was the color of that car.
You are amazing. This is fabulous.
I've driven, my wife and I, we took some years ago, we took it out to DeKalb, Illinois and back.
You drove it?
Drove it, oh boy, yeah.
You trailered it?
I only trailered it once when we had a Jordan meet in California. And that was out at Sacramento into Yosemite Park.
Oh, that must have been
Yeah, that
nice.
car was fitted in Yosemite Park.
Yosemite. You remember Petticoat Junction?
Sure. Yeah. Okay.
And it's 117.
I oughta, well, yeah.
That is a big engine. Now, who built the, who manufactured the engine?
Did the engines, but
Okay.
it was under the design of Jordan.
Jordan.
Nobody had this engine but Jordan.
Yeah. Well, that's the way how a lot of these engine companies work. They modified it for the particular.
Yeah.
And Ned Jordan really, well, he knew what he wanted, so he was amazing, absolutely amazing. And of course, the big thing with the Jordan was the advertising.
Oh my gosh, yes.
It was great, but 31 was about it. I know the last, that 1930s was such of an unbelievable time for the manufacturers.
So much so. Yeah, you're right. One neat thing about Jordan is they and Chrysler came out with four-wheel hydraulic brakes in 26.
Yes.
And I've gone out the turnpike with this thing a number of times. And now I put an overdrive in it.
Oh, that's
so
good.
I run 60, 65, very comfortable.
You have a two-speed rear end?
Well, no, it's just a one speed, but with the overdrive, I can go into fourth.
Yeah.
In the fourth gear.
Yeah.
So,
okay, so it's on the transmission.
So when I'm doing 60, the engine in essence is running about around 37 miles an hour.
Very nice.
Equivalent is 37 when
Yeah.
I'm doing 60.
Is this a 7-main bearing?
Yes. Yeah, it's a big engine.
Yeah. Well built.
I had that thing out completely apart. Now I did the last restoration. I did have a machine shop, of course, do my crankshaft and machine the crankshaft, stuff like that. I didn't have that kind of stuff. But
You've got insert bearings, I presume.
no, these are all port bearings now.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Still Babbitt.
Yeah.
Gee,
Yeah.
that's too cool.
So I didn't have the machine equipment to do that.
How many 31 Jordans were built? Do you have any clue?
No, we have no clue on total number of Jordans, period. But we know of about 100 Jordans of all years
Uh-huh.
and in the club, and about half of those are roadworthy.
Very
Yeah,
good.
Yeah,
That's amazing. Thank you.
you bet.
Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure that's what it was.
I gave him 25.
Okay.
And it's replaced him.
Okay.
And it's replaced him.